everyone, we're making vegetable shish kebabs today. These are so super easy. We're having some vegetables over here. We have zucchini, some red onion, peppers, mushrooms, and some tomatoes. I'm gonna start with mixing some lemon juice, olive oil, some balsamic vinegar, and some minced garlic. I'm gonna add some salt and some fresh thyme. I'm gonna add all my vegetables here. Give this a nice stir until everything is coated. I'm gonna start threading the vegetables right now. That's it. Our vegetable shish kebabs are ready. They're a great side dish you can make with your family and enjoy them any day of the week.